Importance of fingerprint. What is fingerprint? The palmar surface of the hands, fingers, and the sole of the feet, including toes, is covered with a special kind of skin called friction-rich skin. The skin's peculiarity lies in it being formed of minute ridges, which are raised lines having the mechanical function of helping to prevent slipping when in contact with smooth external objects. Each individual possesses a unique set of minute raised ridges on volar pads called friction-rich skin. These clear and apparent unique outlines of the ridges are called fingerprints. A fingerprint is highly individualistic and forms the basis for personal identification in forensic examinations. Structure of friction skin. Composed of two basic layers, the outer epidermis and inner dermis. Epidermis and dermis are separated by a basement membrane. Epidermis is further divided into 5 cellular layers. The basal layer of the epidermis of friction skin has a series of folds protruding into the dermis, which correspond to the ridges and furrows on the outer surface of the epidermis. Folds of the basal layer carrying sweat gland ducts are primary ridges and correspond to the surface ridges of friction skin. Secondary ridges, which also protrude into the dermis, correspond to the furrows of the friction skin surface. Dermis is divided into 2 layers: upper papillary dermis, lower reticular dermis. Sweat glands. Present in the dermal region of the skin, sweat pores on the surface run in single rows along the ridges and communicate through the sweat ducts with coiled sweat glands. Sweat contains 98.5% to 99.5% water and 0.5 to 1.5% solids, chiefly salt, urea, acids, etc. Friction ridges and Galton's detail. According to Professor Harris Wilder and Mr. Burt Wentworth, the ridges are formed by the fusion of epidermic units in rows of minute, round or oval structures, each having a sweat pore in its center, so that the sweat pores occurring along the ridges indicate the number of separate unit islands of which it is composed. The ridges are first visible in the 4th month of fetal life and are fully formed by the 6th month. According to Dr. Harold Cummins, in embryo, ridges differentiate early in the hand than in the feet. Ridges appear on the digits before they are found on the palm or sole. Formation of friction ridges. Development of epidermal ridges are preceded by the formation of volar pads. The initial regression of volar pads around 10 to 11 weeks corresponds to the initial formation of epidermal ridges. Localized cell proliferations form shallow primary ridges that project into the superficial layer of the dermis. Primary ridges proliferate rapidly, producing the branches and islands, the minutiae. Around 14 weeks, sweat glands appear at uniform intervals along the ridges. Ridges are characterized by numerous minute peculiarities called minutiae, here dividing into 2 and then meeting one another, or dividing in almost immediately, reuniting enclosing a small circular or elliptical space, etc. These peculiarities are known as Galton details. The ridge events are commonly referred to as characteristics or minutiae, and their spatial relationship to one another in a friction ridge impression is the basis for fingerprint comparison and identification. Friction ridge arrangement at the ends of the fingers generally forms pattern types referred to as loops, arcs, and whorls. Fundamental principles of fingerprints. The principle of permanence, the principle of individuality. The principle of permanence. Key to understanding this feature lies within the structure of the skin. 3 principal structural elements of skin allow for the permanence of friction ridge detail. Adherence of the epidermal cells to each other by complex and secure junctions. Basal cell layer of the epidermis and its attachment to the basement membrane. Attachment